I know me and you both, we sick and tired of this quarantine, right? Right now, it's really making me feel like a child, man, like I'm back in high school. I need a haircut. Look at this. Well, it's not my fault.
Perfect.
Well, it's not my barber fault because I'm just being lazy because I cut my own hair. So, yeah, this is my fault. I've eaten up all my quarantine food. Wow. And there's no sports. ESPN is playing Baby Boy. With all that being said, I know we're on the same link, y'all. And you know what I got for you? Nothing.
Hey, yo, what the?
Profanity.
Well, I take that back. I do got something for you. I got my top 5 content creators, automotive content creators that were with us while we had to stay in this crazy quarantine life that we got now. So, if you want to see my top 5, stay tuned. What's up, TNT gang? It is your boy Tony B, and I'm back again with another lit video. And today, I want to welcome everybody new to the TNT Garage, y'all. This is where we have comedy and we have cars and we bring them together and we have a good time. And if that's something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And when you do, hit the notification bell so you get all that lit content that your boy bring. But today, I got something for all of us quarantine babies.
What did you say?
All of us quarantine babies. Well, not quarantine babies, but you know, we've been stuck in our houses for a long time. And today, I got my top 5 content creators, automotive content creators that's been helping me get through this hard time. And I want to share it with my TNT gang. Also, I want you guys to go down in the comment section, let me know some channels that I might can look at, you know, to help me get through this hard time. All right, guys, this list is in no particular order. I'm just gonna go run down the list, you know, just what I got. But number 5 is auto auction rebuilds. On this channel, hey, the main guy on this channel is Randy. He's a real good guy. What he does, he goes around to Copart and he does walk-arounds. He goes and shows us what is in his local yards, you know, what to look for when you buying auction, salvage, and good title vehicles. And you know, he just shows us everything he got going on. And one good thing that I love about Randy's channel, Auto Auction Rebuilds, is he posts daily, y'all. This man is on a great schedule, man. He knocks out daily uploads, sometimes twice a day. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to go check him out, it's Auto Auction Rebuild. It'll be down in the description. Number 4 on my list is Zosh. Man, this guy right here, if you know all the comedy I got on my channel, man, a lot of my stuff I got from his channel. Zosh, he's in the import JDM type of things, man. He got an Integra and RSX. So, you know, if you guys like that kind of import type of stuff, that man is hilarious, man. Y'all need to go check out his channel, man. He does great things over there for the culture, for the community, make us laugh, make us, you know, he just hangs out with the homies, does point of view vlogs, POV vlogs with his car. Yeah, and just hangs out with the homies, man. It is an awesome channel. If y'all want to go check that out, it'll be down in the description. Also, I promise you would not be disappointed, y'all. The next one on the list is a little bit, my boy, he be a little uncut, y'all. So if it has a little profanity and he just keeps a lot of things in there, but this guy, he's a good dude. It's CJ on 32s. This guy, what he does, man, is awesome. He does a lot of things for the culture, man. His cars are more so big rim type of cars. You know what I'm saying? You know, our type of stuff. A lot of times we like the big rims. He has what it says is the name, 32s on his cars, man. 30s, 32s, man. He got a 2020 Dodge Challenger wide body. He got a 2020 Silverado. This man got a Challenger. He got what else he got? This man got everything. He got a Cutlass. Man, this man, he is 100% on the grind. He posts twice a day sometimes, y'all. This man, he is on his grind. And if you guys like big wheels, muscle, and all that type of stuff, go check out CJ on 32's. His channel will be in the description also. And next on the list, this is number 2, is Goon Squad. Man, if you don't know who Goon Squad is, y'all, I know y'all been hiding on the rock, man. These guys have been doing great, you know, since, what was it, 2017? I don't know exactly, but man, these guys have been doing awesome, man. They started out with Jeeps. They've done Lambos, Ferraris. Now they're doing an apocalypse vehicle, man. You already know they've been on the times, man. Been up to par with what's going on, and they just dropped this thing on us, man. And they almost hit 2 million subscribers, man. They do great content. They do most of the stuff themselves. They don't post every day, but pretty much every other day they're posting. These guys have great image quality, and they do it all on the phone, man. They got great edits. So if you guys want to check out Goon Squad, if you've been hiding under a rock, go down in the description below. Y'all go check them out, man. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. All right, and the last one on my list, this guy here a little bit rough around the edges too. He's come from a hard background, man, but his story has been awesome, man. He's been from jail, and now he's up on the top, man. Is Tall Guy Car Reviews. If you guys are, you know, within the culture, man, y'all know about Tall Guy, man. This man goes around and does car reviews on epic cars from everywhere, man. Started from a humble background. He has a Challenger Hellcat that he wrecked. Got another one. His McLaren that he got, he wrecked. And man, it's been just a whole bunch of crazy stuff going on this channel, man. Like I said, he's a little rough around the edges, but this man make great content, man. He posts not every day, he used to, but now he posts every other day. Has a great editor on his team, man. Got great cinematography, everything. So if you guys want to see something where you got an epic content creator making, I mean, just astounding videos in LA, man, go check out Tall Guy Car Reviews. Well, all right, man. I know this ain't our typical video, but I felt like in these hard times, you know, I've been struggling to try to find some good channels to, you know, try to see some good automotive content, man. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to go ahead and make a video on my top 5 content creators that have been banging it out during this quarantine. So, you know what I'm saying? If you guys got some suggestions, go down in the comment section and let us know, you know, put them down in there from 1 to 5, or you could just put just 1 in there if you would like to, man. I would greatly appreciate it, because I go check it out. And if you got a channel, man, put it down there in the description. If you want me to check it out, man, I definitely check it out, because I'm running out of stuff to watch, y'all. I really am. But hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because we dropping bangers. We don't drop them every day, but we be dropping bangers, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hopefully you guys stay safe, be blessed. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.